Okay, so it's Dad's birthday and he doesn't really want to do much for it, but I thought I'd get him something that he'll like quite a lot, and he has no idea that this is happening. Alright, here we go to pick up Dad's present, and there it is. Alright, so this is the toolbox I'm getting. Look at this. G'day, how's it going? Hydraulics. Wow. And it's got 2 shelves down there. That's good, man. That's good. And guess what? It's lockable. So you just whack your key in there, and then you get the other side. Open this one. Open that one. Opens by its bloody self. Amazing. Close that. It's so easy. Just lock it up. Lock it up. Stick your key in. And then lock it so that thieves can't take stuff. Voila. Happy birthday, Dad. I might just go and get a couple trucky straps to secure that on properly, but that be looking good. Picked up some seriously heavy duty trucky straps. Alright, that's all strapped on and ready to go. I can't wait to surprise Dad. He'll be like, what did you do?
What have you done,
Right, so I've got back and it's pitch black, so I'm just counteracting that problem by setting up a couple of ring lights. So I'm just going to plug this one in here. Right. There we go. And now you can actually see Dad'll be here shortly. Alright, so Mum and Dad are coming up right now. I got Mum to make sure that Dad's got his eyes closed so that he doesn't see it when he comes up. And then I'm going to surprise him with this amazing, top of the line, best you can get, freaking toolbox hydraulics. Here they come. Open your eyes, Dad, and just look that way. Oh, wow. Happy birthday.
What have you done, mate?
Oh, that looks flash.
Oh, you're too kind.
All good. All good. Oh. What flash is that?
Goes up on it. Oh! It even comes with a 6-pack. Oh wow, some decent straps. Oh, they look like good straps. Don't have to worry about my own version of a truckie's knot.
They're solid straps.
So look at all the shelves.
Yep.
Gee, that's going to make
it's actually
organised. What's this? What's this? Another one?
Yep.
Steak knives?
No.
Ooh. Washington. Outposts. Paper, that'll be nice.
Yep.
Yeah. Oh, that'll be relaxing after a hard day's work. Just relax.
Yep.
Have a few beers and watch a movie.
That's the plan, and some chips.
Chips.
Now,
I can see something down here, I reckon.
yep, so you know how I was talking to the other day about can we replace these bars and drop the sides, right? There are 2 shelves right there.
Dude, that's going to make it look nice.
And check this out, Dad, look. Right? So you lower it, And then just watch this. Just open it to here.
Wow.
Hydraulics. This is a truck toolbox.
No sticks.
Nah. And it's shelving, it's all organised, so...
You can adjust the shelving too.
Yeah, you can. Yep. Yep.
And it's powder coated.
Yep. So, yeah. Gosh, that was hard keeping that a secret from you. Oh, what do you want to take the ute for? Don't need to take the ute.
Waste of fuel.
Yeah. And now check this out, Dad. You can open these. Right. Here is
Wow.
the key. There are 2 keys actually.
Oh, Chooka.
You just lock both of them, and then they're fully locked. Yeah.
You know what you're doing. And that's peace of mind.
Yeah.
Wow.
And then you try to turn them, and they those things won't turn
Two
now.
big handles.
Yeah, 2 big handles on each side. Yep. Yep. So anyway, I don't want to keep you out in the cold too long, but that's your birthday present.
Oh, yeah, Chooka. That's amazing. Oh, God.
No worries. This is actually a custom order that someone ordered, and they never picked it up.
Really?
Yeah. So this is like one of a kind.
Gosh, I'm blown away.
No worries.
Wow.
Oh, you kept saying, oh, it's only it's not a 60th, and I'm like, oh, it still counts.
Every year counts, doesn't it?
Yeah.
What a son.
That is so good. Alright, just going into the hat shop. Gonna get some hats. Oh, that looks like the one, Dad.
That's it, fits.
That's exactly what you had.
This one fits me.
Does it? Okay. You reckon? You reckon that works?
I'm not sure.
No?
Sorry.
No, you're right.
And there, same hat I'm wearing, exactly the same.
I'll try this one. Oh, this looks like a nice hat. Let's get a Cuba. Oh yeah, have the front one.
Perfect.
No. Well, it's Dad's birthday, so he just got himself a new hat. Looks great, Dad.
Yeah, love it.
Good.
Bit cleaner than the old one.
I'll say. What do you think of that?
I think that looks great, mate. That's the one.
I reckon. Well, Dad, we look like our picture.
Hang on.
Oh, no, not yet.
We've got hats everywhere. That's better.
Well, Dad, we look like our picture.
Yeah, we do.
Wow, Mum's cooked up a feast.
Thank you.
Happy birthday, Dad.
Thank you.
Cheers.
Love you girls.
Wowzers, Mum.
Oh, he took a video, darling.
I took a film.
There's some extra bits for it, darling.
Kill them.
There we go. Added extras. Now,
Is that for me?
that's for you.
Holy crap.
I'm giving
Thanks,
Dad
Mum.
the nice looking piece. I'm giving you the mushed up
Oh,
one.
fair enough.
Well, there's no guarantee.
Wait, you need cream, don't you, Dad?
There we go. You want
Oh my goodness.
to see this one?
Cream, white sugar, and white flour.
Oh, there's an extra bit. Here's an extra
Don't
bit.
leave the extra bit. They're the nice
Okay.
bits.
Okay.
You gonna pour it all over it, Dad? We all wanna see. It'd be as white as your beard.
Maybe cheeky.
Oh yeah. Well, apple doesn't fall too far from the tree.
Ooh,
Whoa! Holy crap!
Doing swimmingly.
not going to run out of cream.
Oh, you're
Wow,
hilarious.
Mum, you've outdone yourself.
Oh, thank you, darling.
What's it like, Dad?
Beautiful.
Nice.
Beautiful.
Happy birthday, Dad.
Cheers, mate.